Let's learn how to create a white particle transition in Premiere Pro. First, place your two clips on the timeline. Drag your first clip onto video track 2, and your second clip onto video track 1, making sure the second clip starts 1 second before the first one ends, so they overlap. Next, go to the Effects panel, search for Linear Wipe, and drag it onto the clip on video track 2. Move your playhead to the point where the second clip begins. Then, with the top clip selected, go to Effect Controls, and click the stopwatch next to Transition Completion to create your first keyframe. Now, move the playhead to the point where the top clip ends, and change the transition completion value to 100%. Then, change the wipe angle to 135 degrees, and set the feather to 300. Scroll down to the opacity section, and change the blend mode to dissolve to get that nice particle-like texture. That's it. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like next.